How to create an online course in Zenler. Creating an online course in Zenler is fast, intuitive, and designed for both beginners and pros. Whether you're moving from Kajabi or starting from scratch, this guide walks you through every step. Setting up your course. Go to the site, then click Courses, then click Create Course. To enter the course builder, start with your course title using a clear outcome-based name. Add a subtitle explaining the transformation, write your description, and upload a professional thumbnail. Choose your category and set a clean URL. Zenler hosts your videos internally, so you don't need Vimeo or Wistia or anything like that. And of course, inside the courses, you have the curriculum player where you can add so many different media types. It's really unbelievable. Plus, you can tie it to a community as well to really build that engagement. And it's got full automations built throughout. Building your course structure. So your course is organized into sections, and inside these lessons, for example, module 1 might be getting started with a welcome video, tools you need, and a course roadmap. Module 2 could be core training with your main lessons. Module 3 might be advanced strategies with case studies and examples. Zenler supports video, audio, text, download, quizzes, assignments, and embedded code, plus surveys, a ton of things. The lesson builder is drag and drop. So you can just basically drag and drop stuff around, okay? And you can draft it, you can publish it, you can set a discussion community tied to it as well. Pricing and publishing. Inside pricing, choose one payment subscription, payment plan, free trial, coupon codes, order bumps, or upsells. If this is your first course, start with one-time payment and an optional order bump. Zenler includes a sales page builder with drag and drop blocks, testimonials, curriculum, display, buy buttons, and countdown timers. You can also add drip content to unlock lessons over time for accountability and pacing. Support and next steps. Set up email automation with welcome emails, onboarding sequences, engagement reminders, and upsell sequences. When you're ready to publish your course and set it to live. Schedule, pre-order, or coming soon. You get help from the tutorial site, support docs, YouTube channel, Facebook community, or our weekly live support desks, workshops, and of course the 30-day accelerator program. Creating a course doesn't need to be overwhelming. Start building your course today inside Zenler. Check it out by following the link in the description.